stop. If you feel sleepy after eating, if you keep gaining weight no matter what you try, or if you're tired of starting over every Monday, this might be the reason why. Most people think weight loss is about eating less. It's not. That's the biggest lie in fitness, because if starving worked, you'd already be skinny. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your body isn't broken. Your hormones are. And there's one hormone controlling everything: insulin. When insulin is high, your body stores fat. When insulin is low, your body burns fat. So the real question is, are you eating in a way that keeps insulin low? Or are you unknowingly trapping your body in fat storage mode every single day? Let me show you exactly what to eat, so your body starts burning fat automatically. First, breakfast. This is where most people mess up bad. Cereal, toast, pancakes, all of it spikes your insulin and makes you hungry again in 2 hours. That's why you keep snacking. Instead, you need protein. A lot of protein. Option 1. A high-protein smoothie. Simple. Protein powder, almond milk, peanut butter, ice. Done. This alone can keep you full for 4 to 5 hours. Option 2. Chia pudding. If you crave sweets, this is your hack. It feels like dessert, but it keeps your blood sugar stable. But the real winner? Eggs. This is the ultimate fat loss food. Cheap, simple, powerful. Eggs keep you full, kill cravings, and stabilize your energy. Add bacon, sausage, or ground beef. Top it with avocado, and now you've got a fat-burning breakfast. Now lunch. Keep it simple. You don't need fancy meals. You need effective meals. Chicken salad, tuna salad, egg salad. High protein, easy to prep. Here's a trick most people don't know. Replace chips and bread with cucumbers or bell peppers. You still get that crunch, but without destroying your progress. Busy? No problem. You don't need hours in the kitchen. Quick meals, simple ingredients. Consistency beats perfection. Every single time. Now dinner. This is where transformations happen, or where progress dies. Rule number 1. Protein comes first, always. Steak, salmon, chicken, shrimp. Pick one. Then add low-carb sides. Salad, roasted veggies, cauliflower rice, mashed cauliflower. And here's the best part. You don't need to cook separate meals. Your family eats the same protein, you just swap the carbs. They eat rice, you eat veggies. Simple. Now listen carefully. This is why this works. When you eat like this, you stay full longer, you stop craving sugar, and you naturally eat less. No forcing, no starving. And the magic? Your body starts burning fat between meals. But there's one more thing that can destroy your results: stress. Too much stress increases cortisol, and cortisol stores fat, especially in your belly. So if you're doing extreme cardio every day and still not losing weight, this might be why. Instead, walk more, lift weights, build muscle. That's how you transform your body long-term. Let me be real with you. You don't need another diet. You don't need to suffer. You just need to eat smarter. Real food, high protein, low carbs, consistency. That's it. If you're serious about losing weight this time, comment START below. And if you want something that speeds up fat burning, check the link in the description. This could be the thing that finally works for you.